Hello everyone! I'm so excited to share this with you, lalong-lalo na sa mga estudyante ngayon. Lahat online. So, yung ituturo ko sa inyo, paano maalis yung mga formatting na nasa browser natin para kapag paste nyo sa document is mawala na yon. Simpleng-simple lang. So, you only need a document file. I'm using Microsoft Word and a notepad. And of course, the browser where you need to copy the information you need to copy. So let's do it. So ganito siya, copy, and then when you paste it, let me just show it to you what will happen. So lahat ng format na galing sa browser, pag na-paste nyo siya sa document, ganun yung lalabas. But if you want to remove all those bolds, sometimes may mga link, you can copy it first, paste it to a notepad, and then let me remove this, copy it again, and then paste it back to the document. Did you see that? Did you see the difference? Okay, let's do it again. Let's try another. Okay, so here we are. This is just an example that we copied it, paste it in the document. All the formats are there, how big the fonts, links, and whatever. But if we want to remove all the formatting, we paste it first to the notepad, copy it, and then paste it to the document. You see the difference? Easy, right? Hope you learned something.